Good morning, all. Today is the 13th of June. Just wanted to quickly point this out while it's still there and before it vanishes. There's that big ticket order right there, 1,089 shares. Now, I mean contracts. So you gotta at the same time you gotta look at that might be a smoke and mirror right here. They're getting people to aggressively start buying and pump up the price. What what that illusion will do is that there is people over here, institutions, short selling it to the downside. So that's something you got to watch out for. Um, anyways, I'll pause the video for now. I'll come right back. Okay, I'm back. I think I'm gonna sit and watch the price action before the open here. As I pointed out on the dome, that there is a transaction taking place in that 48.35, um, around the 48.40 level, and I mean, I'm pretty sure that the Bears are not gonna go without a fight. I mean, the Bulls are not gonna go without a fight here because all these lows, as you can see, all these are dips that got bought up. So I'm expecting same thing might happen, and you know my price targets around this 47.53 area, waiting for that. But I think there's going to be some congestion, or it's going to be a noisy price action heading down to that price. So, and I wouldn't be surprised either if this thing starts shooting up right at the open and then shoot back down. The good part is that uh, all this congestion kind of happened in the overnight session, while last week, you know, you notice all the price congestion happening in the US session. So it's like I'm pointing out right here with my mouse. Put a rectangle in here. So all the noise are taking place in the US session here. It kind of moved pretty good Friday afternoon, but I was already out. So I'm anticipating the actual price movement is going to take place in the US market, so in the US session. So we'll see. We'll see. In the meanwhile, not much going on. I guess I'll pause the video. I'll come back. I guess I'll catch some of this on the video. As you can see, that 1,000 something odd contract is down to 819 now, and hardly ticket on the 35. Most of the transactions are taking place right here. So I wonder if that's a head fake. But in the meanwhile, I'm just watching the ticket or watching transactions here, and that's kind of somewhat how I read the tape. I'm reading what's being placed on order and what's getting executed, and how fast is that ticket getting executed is dictated by these. So right now it looks like it might be on to the downside. From what I can tell, but we'll come back, and if I catch any trade, I'll show you what I'm in. But I'll be back. Interesting find here. As you can see, only really 152 volumes were actually the ones that got executed out of that 700 that was flashing. And I was watching this, you could see all the bids got canceled. So um, now I'm waiting for a retracement now at this level, and that's what I'm waiting to. I think I might trade those levels there. Even maybe even this level right here. In the meanwhile, that's how I'm interpreting the dome and the price action here. So anyways, I guess I'll wait and I'll come back. Okay, kind of screwed up on the first entry here, and I re-entered. So right now I'm just up about 16 ticks. I'm gonna take the first target right here at 4807, and then I might look to peel the other one out at if I ever get there. I'll peel one out at the 80 level. So hopefully it doesn't stop me out or anything. So anyways, so you got my target stop. I'll pause the video and I'll come back. Okay, so I got lost on the last two, and I'm now reversing my trade here. First target is a 53. We'll see what happens. For now, I'm just gonna let it play, and then if I get stopped out, I might sit on my hands here and watch the market for a while. I'll be back. I'm moving my stop to break even plus 1 tick now. It's having a hard time penetrating through these levels here. So there's still transaction happening in this area right here, 35 to 46. So that's why I just went in and put a protective stop. In the meanwhile, I'll come back. Today, maybe I shouldn't be doing this scalping business here, because as you can see, I'm at 61 contracts executed. So about 30 something odd trade round trip. So mainly I got chopped up in this area. This one was a little tough trade right here. I knew it was going to be a double bottom. I've seen this before, and I told you the move is going to be in the U.S. session side, just because the consolidation happened in the Globex session. So tomorrow I'm expecting the same thing, and as I mentioned, the dailies where you really need to pay attention to is because of this price formation. It looks like you still got buyers coming in here, and so I believe that's what happened today. So and definitely this was a head faker right here. You think that you got reversal here, but now I think this thing might continue to go up higher. I think that's it for me today. If you have any questions, I gave you my trade plan in the morning going into this trade. The only thing different was I did not expect to really scalp today. Really, I was looking for a move to one direction to the other, and I've seen this price formation before. But then again, I had my kids already at home, and try to focus on trading while I have kids running around the house was certainly a tough job, or tough task to achieve. So in any event, y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next video. And before I end this, I thank you for those who were clicking the like button and adding me and subscribing, following my trades here. So, and I guess I appreciate those who are taking the time to do that. Until then, I see you on the next video. Good day.